Welcome to my channel, Ride with Patrick. Today I'll try the Street Glide. It's a first on the channel. I never ever tried a Street Glide. 107. The first thing I like is that color. I mean, red and black are my favorite color, and this is look at that, fantastic. That's a fantastic machine. Here we go. The thing is, I know where it goes, except I never tried it, and I had to learn myself. Move out of the way. Why? That's narrow. Put your blinkers on. I'm thinking the motorcycle is quite narrow to ride. I just tried the V rod, which is a little bit longer, and I get stressed. It's quite it's a different feeling. So now I do understand why people like to ride those one. You're protected from the wind, at least the top part of your body, but you feel the weight in front on the fork. And the thing is, when you go from a V-Rod or a Sportster to the Street Glide, it'll take some time to get used to. So the thing is, I'm sorry, but you're on board with me on my first ride on the Street Glide. We'll take a little bit of the motorway just to get it in hand and to you sit with your legs wide open. Feels like sitting on a car with two wheels. The wind is blowing outside, but you don't feel a thing on it. You hear it blowing, but you're that protected that you don't feel anything. It's quite a nice ride. It's smooth. The sitting position is great. I like as well the mirror that are in the same shape as the rest. I didn't try the radio. Should I try the radio?
A few inches later.
But yeah, you're sitting like in a sofa. It's I could ride 100 kilometers with this one. I mean, until the tank is empty. So now I do understand why people buy those ones, because they are so comfortable. They feel in a way massive, but they aren't. It has another bite to it as well. I'm just checking there is no one. Has a little bit of peps as well, which is nice. We'll see how it handles in the roundabout, but I mean, on the normal weight, I mean it's so well balanced that just with putting a weight on my bum, on my body, just displacing my weight on the seat makes it move. So that's why I was a little bit taken by surprise when I moved from one to the other, since you have to work a little bit more with the V-Rod, as it's longer, and this one you don't have to do anything. The center of gravity is so low that and the bike is so well balanced that just with the weight, displacing your weight on the seat, it makes it change direction, which is great fun. There's a lot of electronic as well that I don't have any clue what they do, so I don't want to. The exhaust has a nice note as well. But again, it's not something I would buy to commute, but it's definitely something you could put a couple of miles on it. Thank you for the ride. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time, guys. I might try something else. The center of gravity is so low. Jesus. Someone with a mobile phone. Really nice. Thanks for killing us. Money, money. Come on, come on. Yeah, 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 yeah. Money, money. I'm not clapping at the music, but so today I will see. We'll see. Okay. Off ignition. I never.